One of the reason why we highlight is SIPAC because one, the major reversal move that occur back in 27 March is actually right within at 61.8 Fibonacci level, which also right within at 100 days moving average over here, the represented by the yellow line. So the sharp move, as you can see, the on 4 April, as I are waiting for we got a stronger or some sort of perfect before we highlighting the stock, it did create a new high-low structure, but the subsequent pullback is actually convinced me that the overall trend is pretty much intact. One, you can see how the stock is actually forming an engulfing pattern yesterday on the back of high trading volume, bounce off the again 100 days moving average. And you can see the reaction on RSI over here. It was quite interesting how the previous resistance for RSI now turning into a support level, and the momentum is also start to pick up again back in the level where it bounced off earlier. So because of that, overall momentum again remain elevated, and we can expect the higher momentum to actually lift the stock higher. We put our immediate target for resistance at 87.5 cent, and the next target is actually at 1 cent. Meanwhile, support should be between 72 and 74.5 cent. Then we have Gashan Corporation. So despite the stock overall, what we call it, trading volume a little bit on the lighter side earlier, but for the past few, I think for the past 2 months, it actually has significantly has improved. Now, the thing is, the trend is actually on the upside, but you are seeing some sort of correction move since 7 March. So this correction moves, you can see this, the stock is actually trading right within downtrend channel over here, but the so-called corrective move has ended, particularly when the stock create a new reversal move right within 61.8 Fibonacci level, within 1.35 cent, creating new high-low structure right above the 50-day moving average over here. So yesterday breakout on the back of high trading volume, momentum also improving. So we expect the uptrend to continue as we put next technical target at 1.59 cent and 1.75 cent, while the support should be at 1.35 cent. Last but not least will be Hubsan Plantation. Now, despite some sort of pullback on CPO, we are seeing some what we call that higher interest, particularly for the stock. The rebound or the reversal move within at since 29 March has seen the stock continue to trade above the so-called 20 and 50-day moving average, creating a new high-low structure in between. Now, the critical support now turning into resistance at 1.87 cent has been taken out yesterday. So those would actually put the stock in more favorable outlook. So you are seeing a new high-low structure, and 1 to 3 pattern has been completed yesterday on the back of high trading volume, while MACD now has dipped into positive territory, backed by improving reading in RSI. Because of that, we expect at least the stock to challenging the next resistance target at 1 ringgit 98 cent, and the next target is actually pegged at 2 ringgit 15 cent. Support should be seen at 1 ringgit 75 cent.